Good day guys, this video only for females. If you have the periods pain issue and you have the period issue, you feel just the spotting in the periods. So take the coriander seeds, the coriander whole seeds. 1 spoon of the coriander whole seeds, put it in the water of 1 glass at night time. In the morning, boil it. When it become half, then drink this tea before the one day of the periods. With this, the periods will be on time. There will be no pain during the periods, and the spotting issue will be finished. Try this remedy. It will work more than the best of every medicine ever you used.